Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download all the photos from your Google Drive on your mobile device. So if you are switching your devices or you just want your photos offline in your gallery step by step, I'm going to help you in this regard. And the best part is that you don't need any computer. So first of all, you need to download and install the Google Drive application on your device. So first up, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Drive. Now, once you search for it, you are going to see the Google Drive application over here. So you need to download and install it in your device. If it is already installed, I would highly recommend you to update it first, because sometimes the downloading won't work if you haven't updated your Google Drive app. So make sure that you do it first. Now, once you have successfully installed the Google Drive application on your device, you need to make sure that you are logged in into the correct account of yours where all of your photos are saved. You can just simply change it by tapping on the profile icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then again, you can just select the email address in which you have your photos. Now, if you have stored your photos in the folders, you can just simply go ahead and click on the option of the folder, and you can take a look at the photos that are available here in your folder. You can also tap on the option of starred if you have added any of your images in the starred section. If someone has shared those images with you, you can tap on the option of shared and you can get access to those photos. You can also tap on the option of file in order to access your own drive and see all of the photos that are available here. So once you have it, you need to tap on the photo in order to basically open it. As you can see over here, I have opened this particular image over here. Now you need to tap on the three dots here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you just have to scroll down and tap on the option of download. So once you click on the option of download, it is going to show you that the file is going to be downloaded. So it is going to basically save the file in your device. Now, as I clicked on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen, you are not going to see the option of downloading them all or selecting them all, because as of right now, this option is not available in the Google Drive mobile application. You can do the bulk download in your PC, but in your mobile device you will have to manually download each and every images that you have here. So you can surely download the whole folder that includes all of your files, but for the photos you cannot basically select them one by one and then you can download them. So in your iPhone, the photos are going to open in a new window instead of the application. So you just have to long press on it and save the image on your device. So you can do this for each and every photo that is available in your Google Drive. Now, if your photos are synced to the Google Photos and not just the Google Drive, you can also install the Google Photos application instead, and from the library you can add it in your device. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can drop your comments below in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.